Statistics Month and the 15th National Convention on Statistics. Magandang umaga at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Welcome to the 15th National Convention on Statistics.
May this event be a venue for us to share experience, knowledge, expertise, and skills in statistics to improve ourselves, the society, and the quality of life of all Filipinos.
We are now getting closer to our goal of eliminating the need to show other forms of identification in transactions with the government and the private sector.
Let us work together to achieve our long-term aspirations as a Filipino people. That of matatag, maginhawa, at panatag na buhay. Congratulations once again and a good day to everyone.
Tayong maging win na win sa pagtataguyod ng kahalagahan sa statistika sa maraming aspeto at sektor ng ating bansa. Sapagkat naniniwala po ako na ang pagbibigay buhay sa bawat datos ay magsisilbing susi upang unti-unti nating matuldukan ang kahirapan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Congratulations po sa inyo.
for their active participation during the question and answer portion, wherein a lively exchange of views ensued. I hope that we were able to provide you a truly learning experience about the session.
For all their time and efforts in the previous months to successfully collaborate with PSA in this year's National Convention on Statistics. Maraming salamat po at sana lumago pa at mas maging mas pa. such as this event. Good afternoon again, everyone, and welcome to the 15th NCS closing ceremony. So